Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tanya. I'm so happy to have you here and for engaging with me in the comment section. This morning was one of those mornings when I was traveling. I don't know if this ever happened to you, however, you traveled to and from, but I was not in the mood to communicate with anyone at all. I mean, obviously, selective people, yeah, like I prioritize, but like there's certain people that I just was not in the mood to really respond to. And that's because we're always rushing to respond to people. We're always rushing to say yes. And oh, this message been pending for a while. But this morning was one of those mornings I just wanted to sit on the train, commute to work, take that little time out, read my books that I've downloaded on my phone, and just focus on me. And that's because I think I'm literally going to, sometimes you gotta like slow down. Yeah, it's on that above Valentine's, you know what I'm saying? But that's a romantic one there. But yeah. So I slowed down this morning. I'm like, girl, you're not going to reply to anyone. You're going to focus on commuting to work, read what is important, reply to who is important. And there's other people that just will have to wait. I actually feel good about that. You know why? Because I'm always doing things and responding. Try not to like let anyone get offended. By the way, I saved £9 as well thus far because it's made from home. So that's also good. Growth, no? Anyway, that was just something. I feel good about it. I don't feel guilty. Parties just gotta have to wait until I reply to them, and that's it. So once again, I've been holding down the fort in the kitchen. Very, very quick and easy dinner. The oxtail are obviously seasonal because what happened is that my mom is not really allowed to be over the stove. She needs to stay away because she needs to kind of feel a lot better. But anyway, dinner is going to be so simple because when I come home from work, I don't have time to do any long thing. So I've got my sweet potato, I've got Irish potato, I've got the Brussels sprouts, I've got all of that here. So I'm going to basically get these boiled up, and then I've got the oxtail as well that I'm going to basically my mom as well, she normally likes slow cook these kind of meat. I'm gonna throw it in the pressure cooker, to be fair. Yeah, I'm gonna throw it into the pressure cooker because remember I also have work the following day, so I'm gonna do this. I just feel like, to be honest with you, sometimes pressure cookers just remove all of that taste, like, but when you slow cook it. But we're gonna make an exception and we're gonna throw this down because we need to reset for the following day and mom needs to eat. Let's do this. So I find it quite awkward whenever I am like recording and to stir my pot in the meantime. It's quite difficult for me. So sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't. But anyway, it's all set. So for me, dinner is completed. It's very easy and simple because I've got work the following day, and when I come home, things need to be quick and easy. With the oxtail, basically, I pressured it because I feel like it's more better and obviously for time consuming. My mom normally slow cooks her meat, such as oxtail and things like that. I've got the little baby potatoes, I've got little vegetables there. I've got this is really quite English sweet potatoes and the sprouts. So that's just what's gonna be for dinner, and then I just need to have a little bit to eat, ensure that my mom eats, iron, and then reset myself for the following day. So let's go. I haven't been able to give you your bedtime story, so I'm going to give you it as a morning story. It's from my little book here that is very little, so I don't want to finish it too soon. Comparison is the enemy of contentment. Comparison is the enemy of contentment. It's another day, a beautiful day, and it's beginning to light out pretty early these days. Like we're getting a bit of light around in the 7, 8 o'clock, or probably even 6:30, because you know that winter everything is so dark early mornings, and of course in the evening as well from 3 o'clock. But things are changing a little around here, which brings a lot of hope and motivation. And yeah, so it gives a vibes, it gives a buzz and vibes. As a matter of fact, I'm really tired because I am back in the kitchen again cooking. Obviously, I don't like cooking, but it's for my mom, so I'm going to deal with it. But yeah, dinner last night was so superb. It was iconic. And for those who watch my last videos and my last videos and my last videos, thank you so much for engaging with me. For those who subscribe to my channel, thank you so much. We're going to get busy again. We're going to go and we're going to face another amazing day. And we're going to be positive. So let's go. See, it's very bright. Normally, early January and December, it would be so dark. Early January and December, is that what I said? I can't remember. But it would have been super, super dark. But it's brightening out, so yeah. Oh, God. I don't know yet. I know I have an idea of tomorrow morning. They look better than the ones in prep.
Oh yeah, they most probably are.
Not me talking about, but it looks really good. Especially this one is like the nuts one, right?
That's an
almond one. Okay.
Almond chocolate.
Oh,
So almond
interesting. This like is it like a banana bread or something?
banana bread.
Can I have what? How much is it?
£4.
Can I have a slice, please?
Of course you can.
Thank you. I stopped into this coffee shop, which is right next to the station, not the one inside. I think it's the second time. This is hot now. And I bought the banana bread. It looks so tasty already. And just the way, obviously I ordered a tea because I really want to cut back on the caffeine, to be fair. But just the way that he was like, mixing it, it was so iconic. That coffee shop that I stopped in this morning was so iconic. The guy was so nice. He was so kind. I didn't even know that they did all of that sort of croissants and bananas bread in there. Like I always walk past it. I think it's only one time that I literally stopped in there, but you know, that was like a long time ago, and after that you're like, no, that's just not for me, that type of shop. And then I just went in there this morning, and then just seeing how he's like making the cappuccino and the coffee for everyone and doing all of that. You know what they do, and they like it was so good. I was like, I want to order a coffee. Then I'm like, no, we're not gonna get coffee, we're just gonna get a normal tea. I was so tempted, but he was so kind. He was like, do you want any sugar? How much sugar? Blah blah blah. I wanted to say, dude, just make me a coffee. But I was like, I've got to be disciplined. I've got to be disciplined. I did say I wasn't going to spend any money this week, but you know what I'm saying? But at least it was on coffee, so that's quite good. Like, it was so funny. And just the presentation, the cup, everything is just like so solid. And I can't wait to have that banana bread. It's in my bag. Like, it looks so moist and so delicious and so tasty. So maybe that's what I'm going to have for my lunch. I don't know why is Linnea actually messaging me right now, disturbing me. Like, these friends that I have, they're like not friends, they're like family, so I can just say their name. But that's just it really. But my journey was good, it was smooth, and I didn't have any problem. I didn't encounter any problem. It's just that it was just really, really busy. You know what London is like. It's crazily busy when you're traveling as per usual. But I love the fact that the trains were on time, my bus was on time, and everything was on time. Let's see what we're gonna make for dinner later on for mom. I mean, I'm getting really exhausted here, but dinner last night was so good. I simplified it and she loved it and she enjoyed it. So yeah, we're looking forward to another dinner. I need to think. Prawns? Maybe I make prawns. We will see. So think about it and we'll take it from there. I am certainly loving the sun out here. Very soon I'll be heading back to my benches like I've said. The sun just went boop in my face. That banana bread, it tasted so good. Really, really good. So I'll probably get another slice tomorrow. Always the person to come for my lunch really, really late. It's like, I don't know, I can't help it. Even if I am hungry, I have this habit, you're right sweetheart, of coming for my lunch really late. So we're gonna dive in and have a little bit of lunch at least. Outside is so horrible. it's just so wet. When is it gonna dry up? I have no idea. But the good news is that I am home and there was no train issues at all. Yeah, there was none. Everything was just on point. It was just from one to another. No delays, no cancellation. That's what it's all about. I'm not being funny, but working in hospitality is so draining. It is really, really draining. I literally had to walk past Black Sheep today. I felt so bad that I walked past Black Sheep. I could not even. I don't know. I need to find something. I think when it gets to like the springtime and stuff, I will definitely be getting my like ice this, ice that, and something like that, but kind of like non-caffeine, if you see what I mean. So I need to sort something out because I'm struggling with the tea situation around here. Quite boring, something enticing, but yeah, outside is so not right at all. But I'm home, and yeah, and that is the main thing. We're going to reset ourselves for another day. Okay. Lovely delicious banana bread that I bought at the shop there. I had to get another slice today because it was so tasty.
It would be nice.
Yeah. Do you eat banana bread?
No, really.
Who are you saying it's nice? No, but it's just all the moist, no? So that's it. It doesn't take long. I don't really put on any.
So perfect.
You think so?
I think someone doing it for you. That's what I was saying to you, that I would come to help you doing it because you might need some help.
You can be a PA. Why not?
Yeah.
No. You need to sign up to be my PA. Might not the PA.
I will be happy. I will be more than happy.
Find the state very well. Minor delays and severe delays.
Yeah, that's the buses.
Oh, is that the buses?
That one is the buses. But this is the one that's
Oh, right. Well, London is so grey right now, but I can tell you that whenever it gets bright and nice, it's going to be so amazing. But for now, it is looking like this. I can just imagine this water must be so ice cold right now. And then you can see amazing views. I used to literally walk out there. Oh, obviously all the trees are naked now because it's winter. And just to show you that there's a time and a season for everything, and basically even the trees, they will give you a signal of what time it is. Nothing lasts forever. Okay, so listen to this. Some people say you're going the wrong way when it's simply a way of your own. That was actually said by Angelina Jolie. If your heart isn't in it, take yourself out of it. If your heart isn't in it, take yourself out of it. How amazing. I still have plenty more to do because I haven't been using up my little book so often. It's donut day today in Poland. Yes, and so my revenue manager, she's celebrating it, so she ordered donut. It is so nice. The pink one is for me. You will see it next. It is indeed for me because it has to be so colorful. I'm not gonna have all of the chocolate one and the caramel one and stuff like that. We're gonna go for the pink donut, and I get so excited. It's so crazy. It's so funny. Like this morning, I arrived at the bus stop from the train station. I always see this lady. She's so beautiful, natural hair, everything. She's always glowing, and we always smile at each other, but we never really said like a proper hello. As soon as I arrived at the bus stop, she came up to me and she was like, is it okay if I come and say hi to you? Because I always see you. I was like, of course. I think that's what she said. And she was like, oh no, actually she said, I've always wanted to say hi to you, and you know, I can tell when you arrive because, you know, I know I'm a little bit crazy on perfume, so they're always super strong. And we chatted. It was so amazing. We have like a great banter. Funny enough, and she's actually from my island. We took the bus together and we had such a great, I felt like my morning was a little bit dull and stuff like that. I wasn't really feeling myself, but just I had a conversation with someone and we just get to talk. There are nice people out there, you know, people that can just say just one word and it just brings so much laughter to you. Like I laugh so hard, it's so crazy. But with that being said, I'm sure we're going to see each other again because we always see each other. So not the one time we actually have that kind of dialogue, it doesn't mean we're not going to see each other. But I felt so good because of the things she was saying. I was like, oh, bye. It was so funny. I mean, some people may think that I may like face to face, like not approachable, but I am, because maybe sometimes I walk really serious with my face, and then another time I can be smiley. So she was like, "Is it okay if I say, oh, of course you can?" It was so cool. But yeah, let's go and have some donuts and have a little bit of celebration, and we're gonna feel ourselves. Okay, we're gonna feel ourselves. Just be you. Okay. Oh, this is a hard one for me. Why are you taking so long to... Ella, this is so fun. It's a hard one for me there. Oh my god, what's that? I didn't see the ages open it. Oh my god.
Thursday, the last Thursday before.
Oh my god. No. Ella, I think we need to pause it. Okay,
Thursday,
great.
so I need to send it.
That looks good. The pink one is for me. Oh my god. That one there. That is so iconic. Okay, great. I know, right? This one is not too bad either. Not the Valentine.
So cute.
Hi, Zine. What are we doing on set together?
Oh, good on.
Gosh, I feel so sorry for those people that just sat on those buses. I can just imagine wanting to get home from work. Anyway, I'm already indoors, so I'm going to make it simple and easy for dinner. It's going to be corned beef and rice. My mom actually likes to have her corned beef combined with cabbage, but I've got work the next day, so mother is quite understandable. So again, I feel so clumsy when I am actually recording and, cooking at the same time. But anyway, you see what is in the pot there, some little tomatoes, some bell peppers, some onions and things like that. Oh, do you remember those flowers that I got into Sainsbury's? Oh, no, not Sainsbury's, sorry, my bad. Mark and Spencer, the day when I actually had my hair done. They're still like glowing, isn't it? Anyway, let's get back to cooking. So it's going to be corned beef. It's no cabbage. I'm making it easy and simple. I actually fell for the cabbage and rice, to be fair. And but it was so good. And the right amount of spices in there because I don't want it to be too spicy where I cannot eat it, and mommy loves it so much. So again, chefing it down for me and mom, and then I'm going to unwind after that and prepare myself for work. And here I present to you my lovely dinner, which is corned beef and rice with a little bit of veg on the side. And that's it. It's time to get out of the kitchen. Tomorrow is work. Listen, I'm really, really tired. I feel like I'm having a headache, but I'm going to have dinner now. At least dinner was just really easy and simple. No time for the prawns. You see what is happening on the high street. There's just so much chaos. One minute everything is smoothly, the next minute nothing is going smoothly. I don't know what's going on, what was going on with those buses, but it was just so crazy. And I can imagine those people that sit on those buses and they're like, I just want to get home. But anyway, I came home, I wrap up a quick corned beef and rice. Actually, I had been feeling for it, to be fair. Yeah, I didn't have any time to do any prawns or whatever, maybe weekend. We'll see how that goes. No promises. These are just feelings, yeah. So I'm just gonna have dinner and make sure that my mom is settled and eat. Then I'm gonna wrap up, prepare for another day. So, we've got to step up and play adults here. We're not babies. So that was dinner. It was quick corned beef and rice, and I think I'm just gonna stop this vlogging here. Thank you guys so much for those who recently subscribed to my channel, and for those who engage with me in the comment section, for every likes, for every share, for everything. I truly appreciate you and all your kindness, obviously, that you have just like, you know, dash out there on me. It is so nice. Like, I really appreciate it. But I'm not being funny. My head is banging, and I'm gonna eat, and I'm gonna drink some water with this food because that's what I feel for. But until next time, let's close this chapter and we'll start a new one. Bye.